How does a computer learn to finish your sentences? The answer is surprisingly simple. It plays a game of guess the next letter, millions and millions of times. Imagine you have the word Frank. The model looks at the first letter F and tries to guess what comes next. It might guess X and be wrong, but now it knows. After F, the answer is R. It learns from its mistake. Then the model looks at FR and guesses again. The answer is A. Then FRA, and the answer is N. Then FREN, and the answer is K. Each new guess is one more chance to learn. Here is how the model gets its homework. On one side is the input, like FREN. On the other side is the answer key, like RENK. The answer key is the same letters, just shifted one step forward. Here is the clever part. A chunk of just 4 letters gives the model 4 separate practice questions. So a single paragraph of text gives it hundreds of lessons on how letters follow one another. The same game works with words too. If the text is "the cat sat on the model tries to predict the next word, then the next, then the next. Each guess is graded, and the model adjusts its answers. The model does not learn from just one chunk at a time. It grabs many chunks at once, like a stack of exam papers. This stack is called a batch, and working through them together helps the model learn faster and more steadily. The model plays this guessing game over and over with text from books, articles, stories, and conversations. After millions of rounds, it starts to notice patterns, like how Q is almost always followed by U. At first, the model guesses randomly, like rolling dice. But with enough practice, its guesses get better and better. Soon it can finish sentences, write paragraphs, and even hold conversations. Language has patterns, and the model memorizes them by playing this game again and again. Nobody programs the rules of grammar or word order. The model discovers them all on its own. This guessing game is the foundation of every modern AI language model. It is how they learn to write emails, answer questions, translate languages, and chat with you. All from one simple game. Guess what comes next? So remember, AI learns by playing a guessing game. It reads a chunk of text, predicts the next letter or word, checks the answer, and adjusts. After millions of rounds, it becomes surprisingly good at predicting. And that is what we call intelligence.